Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Just Smell Better channel, the best fragrance channel in the world. Today I'm in my girl Storm. She left me to go to college, she left me to go to her classes, so I'm stuck here. And I came ready, I came ready. I came with my package filled with $350 worth of new blind bought fragrances. I bought these all from Joma Shop, and the arrows, I found it. I went to the store and I blind bought it. So I can't wait to open these up. I can't wait to see if I wasted my $350. Let's get to opening this Joma Shop blind bought unboxing haul. So like I said, let's start off with the brand new Versace Eros Energy. The brand new Eros in, of course, the Eros line, the yellow one. You guys know I'm a big fan of the blue one, not a big fan of the red one, but this time we got the yellow one. Let's see this beautiful bottle. Hell yeah. Amazing yellow bottle. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't care about the presentation and the look of the bottle, and you only care about the smell, but I'm always a big fan of the bottle. But let's see how it actually smells. I don't know how to feel about it, low-key, because right away I do get a bunch of citruses. Like, I know this is like a lemon bomb, bro. This is lemon and the limes and the bergamots and the blood orange and this is just a nice smelling freshie. I feel like it's gonna be a good freshie. Let's see how it's like. Damn, bro, it smells like pure lemon, bro. Intoxicating lemon. Now I get what you guys mean when you say in the comments that it smells like a lemon air freshener and a lemon detergent, because it does smell like that. And I don't know how I feel, bro. I got mixed feelings. I might have to let this one just sit and wait. But for right now, first impressions, not too impressed, low-key, not too impressed. I give it like a 5 out of 10, maybe 5.5, 6. Not too impressed with the Eros Energy. I feel like it's missing that sexy DNA. Versace Eros was made to be the smell of the god of love, Eros. And I feel like the blue one, the Eau de Toilette, did that amazingly. The red one, it twisted the Eros DNA with a little bit of a citrusy blood orange vibe, a little bit like peppery note, but it still kept that sexy DNA, which this one lacks. This one lacks that sexy Eros god of love DNA, and it's just pure lemon, pure citrusy. I don't know, bro. The Eros Energy kind of disappointing, but let's give it a try, bro. Let's just let it play out. The next fragrance that I bought is Bentley Momentum Intense. If you guys don't know, I have opened these already in my TikTok, so go follow me on my TikTok. I had smelled these already, but it was just, like I said, first impression, so I'm doing it again because the first time I smelled Versace Eros Energy, I liked it. I gave it a positive rating, but now the second time, it completely let me down. But here is Bentley Momentum Intense. I saw this in a School of Scent video, so shout out to Omar for putting me on. And this one definitely goes under the radar because no one else talks about it. Like I said, it was only him, and now I'll be talking about it because I was really impressed with this one. Ooh, hell yeah, bro. I just got that whiff, and when I smelled it like this up close, I got a resemblance. It reminded me of Abercrombie & Fitch Fears with that sexy and Ambroxan DNA. But then my second whiff, I kind of got like a sweeter note, like a Jolly Rancher note, but it's not that sweet. Let's see how it smells in the air. I describe this as a cologne that you can steal from your dad. I can imagine like your cool dad, your cool uncle who wears a leather jacket, rides a motorcycle at night wearing this one. And you want to be cool like him. You want to be mysterious like him. You want to be like have that aura on you that your cool dad or uncle has. So you steal this from him. Because like I said, it's dark and mysterious, but it does have that sweetness to it that makes it possible for you to pull off. This is one of those colognes where I don't got the notes to describe it. Like I can't say it's vanilla or it's like minty, because I truly don't know, which is good because it still smells so good, but I can't tell the individual notes. And I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that like just goes on Fragrantica and it's like, this cologne is aromatic and sweet and aquatic and all that shit. Like I'll say it if I know it. Like I'll say it if I can pick up on it, but I don't want to go to Fragrantica and then say it when I don't even know what that means. You know what I mean? But this one, bro, this one was only $28. I'll say 30 just to be safe, you know, on Joma Shop. And I was truly impressed with this one. One of my comments recently asked me, give me a sexy fragrance that lasts long and makes people turn their heads. You know, when you're walking past them and they turn their head, they almost break their neck. Tell me one of those for a cheap price, because I'm broke. And I was like, you know what? In my next video, I got you. This is it, bro. This is it. Bentley Momentum Intense for men. This is the one that's gonna make people break their neck when you walk past them, and for a cheap price. So you got like no risk in blind buying this shit. For paying 30 bucks, sometimes, you know, like even sometimes paying $200 for a niche fragrance, you can only use like one season out of the 4. This one, 30 bucks, you can wear it anytime. Momentum Intense by Bentley. I give it an 8 out of 10. Amazing fragrance for a cheap price. I really do love this one. And finally, we got to the main event of the video. This is Maison Francis Kurkdjian Grand Soir, the $200 niche fragrance that I've been trying to buy for a while, bro. Here it is, my $200 Grand Soir. Oh shit, hell yeah. Look at this beautiful bottle, bro. The shine in this, the aura in this, the gold cap, everything. This looks like $200. This looks like a $200 fragrance. I did pay for it, so damn. Even the cap is so smooth, like it just came off like that. And then when you put it back in, it's so satisfying. It's not a magnet, it's not a magnet. I'm focusing too much on the bottle. Let's focus on the smell. Let's spray this. Damn, the atomizer, bro. Oh, that is strong. That is strong, bro. I sprayed too much. That is vanilla in the bottle. That is vanilla ice cream. That is a whiskey bottle. That's like whiskey mixed with tobacco mixed with vanilla. This is full of amber, bro. This is amber. This is amber right here. Just imagine smelling like a whiskey bottle or something, or like the wine when you go to church or something. Like I said, this is where like someone with a beer alcohol addiction will come into play and be like, yo, this smells like this and this and this. But I'm not like that. I don't do that. So I can only describe it from what I can imagine. And the only thing I do know is the vanilla, bro, because I work at an ice cream shop, and trust me, this smells like the vanilla ice cream that we have, or the vanilla ice popsicles that we have, bro. The milky, creamy vanilla. And it's one of the most popular flavors, so we make it a lot. So I'm surrounded by that smell, and this smells exactly like that. It is strong. It is like beast mode, bro. I don't care a lot about beast mode, but this is beast mode. Like this gives Spot Swap Extreme a run for his money, low key. I don't know where or when I'm gonna pull this out. I don't know, like this. I was just talking about Bentley Momentum Intense being extremely versatile. This is the $200 fragrance that I'm talking about that you can only wear in winter and fall. Luckily, today is fall. Today is the first day of October, so you know I can rock it. But still, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it is really good, bro. And it's something I can pull off, you know, when I want to smell masculine but also sweet and sexy. But it's gonna be a little hard, you know. So first impressions, I give it a solid 8 out of 10. Decent cologne, but for the price, I don't know if this is worth it. I'm gonna have to test it out and see for myself with my own experiences. So let me know which one you would be more interested in. Would you want to try out Versace Eros Energy? Does it sound interesting to you? Do you like the sound of Bentley Momentum Intense for the cheap price and the versatility? Or of course, would you go for Maison Francis Kurkdjian Grand Soir, the $200 beast mode fragrance from the famous perfumer Francis Kurkdjian, who makes Baccarat Rouge 540. I do want to say I did barely start my fragrance sample store, so it's a little project that I'm so happy and excited for, but I don't got much experience, so hopefully it works at least. These two are already in my sample store, so you can go sample them if you want. I still need to include this one, but I'll do that later. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm not gonna promote it down your throat, but if you want to sample these, you can go ahead. It'll help me out a lot. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you're gonna buy any of these. Let me know if you're gonna sample any of these. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.